Hi friends, I am Uday Kumar. Welcome to Knowledge and Training channel. Those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share to your friends. Now I am going to unbox the Progemei trimmer. I will share my knowledge with you guys. Let's start the video. This is the way of looking Progemei trimmer box, and here they given model number also GM657. This is the trimmer, how it looks inside, and here they written one caption: make life better by using this Progemei trimmer. And here they given one picture, I think you clearly observe here. By using this trimmer you can cut up to 0.2 mm, and both the sides they mentioned their branding Progemei, and back side they given some more content. Now I will open this box and I will show you what are all the contents they are providing inside. This is the way of looking inside. They are providing one charging adapter to charge this trimmer. I think this is USB. No, this is normal regular trimmer port only. They are providing one charger adapter, and here they mentioned some specifications about this charger. You can clearly observe model number and input and output. Output is 4 volts AC and 100 milliamps. And they are providing one oil bottle and 4 extra clips. See, this is 3 mm, this is 6 mm, 9 mm, last one 12 mm, and finally Progemei trimmer only it is there. It is made by steel and plastic. Weight is somewhat more, and they are providing one cleaning brush to clean this blade. This is on and off button. I think you can clearly observe the sound. This is the charging port. For this they are providing differently charging adapter to charge this Progemei trimmer. You can easily connect. See, and they are providing here plus minus also. You can clearly observe. See, here plus, here minus they are providing that symbol also. This trimmer is very nice because I used up to 1 month. Here you can clearly observe the blades is moving when you are doing turn off. See, the blades is not moving. And here they are providing one light indicator also. See, here they clearly written charge. When you are keeping from this charging adapter to this Progemei trimmer, it turns into red color. After completing the charge, it turns into green color. Here they clearly written their branding Progemei. This is the battery pot. This is very nice because they given 2 screws for this battery department. This is the way of looking 360 degree. You can cut your hair according to your wish by using these clips 3 mm, 6 mm, 9 mm, 12 mm. And by using this oil bottle, here you can observe this stainless steel blade. By using this oil bottle you can clean this blades and all. And one more thing also it is there, they are providing one cleaning brush also. In this, one more interesting point is, for suppose sometimes in your trimmer there is no charge, at the time is very urgency to you, at the time you can connect from charging adapter to this trimmer and you can use while it is charging time also. And in this the battery life is 8 hours. Once you will charge this trimmer, you can use up to 60 minutes. The people who are waiting to buy under 800 rupees, I think this Progemei trimmer for them it is perfectly suitable. In this I liked few points I will share with you guys. First of all, the build quality is very nice, and in this one more interesting point is you can use cord or cordless. Who are interested to buy this Progemei trimmer, I am providing link in description. when you are buying at the time, please use that link because it is helpful to our channel. And that's all guys about this Progemei trimmer. Today my quote is about friendship. There is no breakup in friendship. Losing friend is more painful, but friend is like your shadow. He is always with you. That's it guys. Okay, bye. Good night and sweet dreams to all. Always keep smile and be happy. Jai Hind.